Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to block friends on Snapchat. So if you want to block people on Snapchat, I'll show you guys exactly how to do that in this video today. So it's pretty easy to block people. It's a good thing too, because if you got into some drama or somebody's harassing you, then you can just block them really easily. So I'll show you guys exactly how to block somebody on Snapchat today. So first things first, head over to the Snapchat app. And once you go to the Snapchat app, you'll be brought to this page here. From here, you're going to want to go to all your chats. So click on the chat icon in the bottom left corner. And once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page here. Here you'll see everybody that you've been snapping or texting. And I'll show you guys three ways to block the person. So the first thing is if you go to their profile and then click on the three dots in the top right corner of their profile, then a couple options will show up. From here, you want to click on Manage Friendship though. It should be the second option. If you click on that, then there should be an option to block them. If they're harassing you as well, then you can report them. But if you click on block and then click on block again, then that will completely block them and they won't be able to contact you and you won't see any messages from them. So if you want to do another method, if you hold down on somebody's text just from the home screen and click on Manage Friendship, the option for Manage Friendship should show up. Then you can click on block once again and just block. And the third way that you can do it, if you go to your profile by clicking on your icon in the top left corner, you'll be brought to this page here. And if you scroll down and go to My Friends, you can find everybody that you're friends with. So if you want to block anybody, then you just have to scroll through and find the person that you want to block. And then once you find them, just hold down on it and click Manage Friendship and then click Block. And that is how you block somebody on Snapchat. Like I said before, if they're like harassing you, you can report them as well. But that is just how you block them on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.